Hi, welcome to Govig and Associates. We are located at 7150 East Camelback Road in Scottsdale, Arizona. Today we are going to be going through a virtual office tour. Let's check it out. This is our healthcare department. In this division of our business, the recruiting teams specialize in the following niche markets within the healthcare industry: air medical, behavioral health, home health, hospice, post-acute care, and senior living. The team fills a variety of roles within these spaces, ranging from leadership roles throughout the C-suite executive positions. You will notice monitors throughout the office that showcase recruitment activity from our staff. Phone interactions are the heartbeat to our recruitment business. Monitors will show individuals' daily, weekly, and annual average phone time and number of calls per day. These metrics measure progress in our business, as these conversations allow recruiters to grow their network of professionals. By showcasing this activity throughout the organization keeps individuals both accountable and allows them to be recognized for significant achievements. Incremental achievements, like sending a candidate out to an interview with our client or getting a statement of work signed by a new client, are critical moments of our process that are worth recognizing and celebrating. Each employee desk has electric height controls to convert from sitting to standing and includes a docking station for their laptop, 3 monitors, a filing cabinet, and plenty of office space. Our office utilizes an open floor plan to make communication and collaboration an easy task while encouraging a supportive team environment. Govig and Associates President and CEO Todd Govig's office embodies one of the business's key values, an open door policy. Todd welcomes and encourages guests of all tenure and levels of employment to ask questions, provide feedback, and contribute new ideas. The office has 2 balconies, one on each side of the building, and each with their own striking views of Camelback Mountain and Old Town Scottsdale. This section of the office includes our building products, local, construction, and contract recruiting divisions. In the building products division of our business, the recruiting team specializes in commercial and residential interiors, exteriors, structural products and systems, wholesalers and distributors, as well as HVAC systems, ancillary products, and manufacturers. The team fills a variety of sales and senior leadership roles in this market. The local recruiting team at Govig offers direct hire and contract placement solutions for roles in accounting, business services, account assistant, finance, healthcare, human resources, manufacturing, marketing, technology, and senior leadership. The construction recruitment team is experienced in working with organizations in commercial and residential construction, land development, real estate development, and multifamily development to find, hire, and retain their senior leadership and executive level team members. There are 10 total conference rooms in the office, each of varying size, function, and decor. The cafe is an area large enough to seat the full Govig staff. This room is not only used for break times and lunches, but is used monthly for staff meetings as well. The kitchen portion of the cafe incorporates 6 full-size refrigerators and 2 freezers to accommodate space for lunches, snacks, and treats for the growing staff. The kitchen also has 4 microwaves, 6 coffee dispensers, 2 dishwashers, and plenty of both single-use and reusable utensils and dishware. One of the more unique additions to the office is the phone booth. This small room has a sound barrier that is ideal for sensitive or private conversations. This room can also be used as a quiet place to think or read. Many supplies can be found in the supply room, along with our trusty copier and printer. The Tranquility Room is a multi-purpose private room that is a convenient location for new moms in need of a place to pump or for staff needing a quick recharge. This is our BioPharma department. In this division of our business, the recruiting team specializes in the following niche markets within the biotech and pharmaceutical industries: clinical development, manufacturing, market access, marketing, medical affairs, operations, quality assurance, and regulatory affairs. The team fills a variety of roles in these spaces, ranging from leadership roles through the C-suite executive positions. Govig's internal hiring team is known as the Talent Acquisition Team. This group specializes in finding the most talented individuals to join the organization while growing relationships with students and faculty in the local in-state colleges through campus involvement and managing the Govig internship programs. We hope you have enjoyed joining us for a virtual office tour of Govig & Associates office. Thank you.